Welcome to my 12th vlog. My name is Val and I am the founder of Perfectly Imperfect Philippines, a channel for beauty, fitness, travel, and career tips. I'm very excited for this vlog because today's video is my first ever beauty tip. So recently I've seen a lot of advertisements about laser hair treatments, one of which is the DIY IPL Permanent Hair Removal Kit. So I've done my research and I found out that it is proven safe and effective on the hairy parts of your body, especially the upper lip, the underarms, bikini area, and the legs. I ordered online and it actually just arrived yesterday from Lazada. I bought it for a total of 1,474 pesos, including shipping fee. So I will do an unboxing. We will see what's inside of this box of the kit. Then I will use it on my underarms and also my upper lip. I will show you guys how I do it for the first time and what's the effect, what will I feel. So stay tuned and let's experience this together. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this. It's like opening a present. So I have my mini scissors. So I ordered it on February 17. It arrived 5 days later, February 21st, which was yesterday. So the value of the product is 1,449 pesos and the shipping fee is I'm really bad at math, so just calculate it. Okay. Ooh. So what we have here is more of this. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah. Okay. It's like it's put there to make sure that it's going to be safe. Alright, so here's how it looks. It's actually just small. The package was just bigger than, the package itself. The packaging was bigger than the package. Okay. So okay, so here you go, guys. I don't know if you can see it. It says IPL hair removal. Okay, you can see it that clearly. So IPL technology, it has 5 levels and it has 2 mode flashes. Okay, so here it is. It actually doesn't look cheap at all. I like the carton because it is thick. It's of high quality, I would say. So let's open it. Hold on. Okay, so there you go. And inside is this. There. So I will show you a picture right here. So inside you can see the manual. Okay, we will read that later. And this one is its adapter. It's power cord. Of course, the device itself, it's lightweight, probably around 1/4 kilogram or something. Also, you have the shades, maybe to protect your eyes while doing the procedure. And lastly is the razor shave. Okay, not bad. Not bad for 1,449. So here is the user manual. So I just finished reading the manual, and it says here that before you use the treatment, or before you do the treatment, you have to make sure that there is no hair on the surface of your skin. So make sure that you have already shaved it and you're not wearing any products like lotion, moisturizers, aloe vera gel. So your skin should be dry, without any hair, and without any oily substances or something. All right, so now let's try it. I'm going to try it on my underarm, my perfectly imperfect underarm. So I've already shaved. I did it yesterday. So let's try it. So again, this is the power plug, and this is the IPL device. There. Okay. So according to the package, it has 990,000 flashes, so almost 1,000 flashes, and it has 5 intensity levels. So as you can see, here is the screen. It's not on yet because I haven't plugged it yet. The power button, on and off button, and also the gear button. So this is to control the intensity level of the device. So the higher intensity, the more effective, but it might be more painful. All right, so let's plug the power cord. There we go. And let's plug the other end in the power outlet. Okay, let's turn it on. Oh, there. So it says off. Nice. Let's turn it on. You have to press and hold it for 3 seconds. I forgot. Okay. Let's press and hold it. Alright. So here you can see the number of flashes. So it says 999,999. So it actually has 1,000,000 flashes. So the intensity level is 1. I haven't turned it on yet. I haven't pressed this yet. And there's the fan. Yeah. Okay, so I'm nervous to use this, guys, but yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens. So you have to wear shades for your protection. Wear it. Oh, that looks good. I actually like the shades. Okay. So you have to press the gear button, press and hold it for 3 seconds so it will emit the light. So let's use it in my underarms. Oh, okay, so with the intensity level, let's try it at 1 first. Let's see how will I feel. Okay, it feels nothing. I just feel a little warm, but it's just that. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's just warm. So number 1 just feels warm. I will try number 3 now. Let's see how would I feel. So every time you flash, the number here decreases. So earlier it was 999,999. Now is at 999,997. So I think you can use this for a year or more than that, depending on how often you use the device. Okay, so now let's try number 3. Again, press this to change the intensity level. Oh, hold on, this one. Okay, 3. Okay, I have a mirror here. I can't really see because of the shades. Okay, trying it. Number 3. Still very tolerable, guys. I'm not going to show you the entire procedure, the entire treatment anymore. I just tried how will I feel if it's in intensity 1 or 3. Since this is going to be my first time, so I think I will keep it at 3 first, and then eventually I will increase the intensity level. So I will give another update after a month of using this. I'll see how will it affect on the growth of my underarm hair. I will also try it on my legs. So I really wish this would be effective, and that would give me or save me a lot of money from going to laser centers. So far I have a good feeling about this. I really hope it would work for me. So thank you for spending your time with me today. I hope you learned something in this vlog. So if you are interested to know more about beauty, travel, career, or fitness tips, please subscribe and follow our Instagram page. That is Perfectly Imperfect PH. And together, let's build a community of perfectly imperfect individuals. So again, my name is Belle, and I'm looking forward to see you on my next vlog.